This tutorial shows you how to switch to a different language course or add new languages to your learning path. First, open the Duolingo app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, you'll be taken to your profile page showing your current progress and streak. Now, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right corner. Moving forward, scroll down and look for language settings or manage courses. Afterwards, tap on Manage Courses to view all your current language courses. In addition to that, you'll see a list of languages you're currently learning. Once there, tap on Add a new course or the plus icon to browse available languages. Subsequently, scroll through the extensive list of languages Duolingo offers. Moreover, you can choose from popular languages like Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and many more. Afterwards, tap on the language you want to start learning. Then, Duolingo will ask you to select your proficiency level or take a placement test. Within this step, you can choose options like I'm new to this or I know some already. Alternatively, if you want to switch between languages you're already learning, go back to Manage Courses. Once there, tap on the language you want to focus on and it will become your active course. Then, your home screen will update to show lessons and progress for that selected language. And that's it. If this language change guide helped you explore new learning opportunities on Duolingo, give it a like, subscribe for more language learning tips, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one!